Good morning everyone, it's me again, Teacher Darren, and welcome you to Values 7. Okay. In this morning, before we proceed to our discussion, let's fill your mind with new words. I have here some following words. What you are going to do is to read the following words in their meanings. The first one is integrity. Integrity, the quality of being honest and fair. Second one is interpreter. Interpreter, a person who translates the words that someone is speaking. Okay, everybody, read the some following words. Okay, and the first one is integrity. The second one is interpreter. In this morning, before I gave you the topic, let's have this game. So, let's arrange the jumbled letters to form a new words, and these words will be your hint to know what is our topic for today. Okay, the first one is Cyanocne. Try to arrange the jumbled letters. Okay, you're finished. You have an answer. Let's find out if you are correct. The answer is conscience. Okay. When you hear the word conscience, what comes first to your mind? Okay, very good. Conscience means is our ability or faculty to choose and distinguish whether an action is right or wrong. Conscience is a small inner voice within us that tells us to do good and avoid evil. Okay? Again, when we say conscience, is our ability or faculty to choose and distinguish whether our doing is right or wrong. Conscience is not the king, the creator of morality. It is the only interpreter. Okay. We have here the different types of conscience. Okay. The first one is consequent conscience. Consequent conscience means the judgment of the mind on morality of an action already performed. The second one is right through conscience. Means the conscience making a correct moral judgment on some action either to be performed or already done. Next is erroneous conscience. The conscience when it wrongly decides that something is lawful but in fact is unlawful or vice versa. Next one is certain conscience. The conscience when it has no prudent fear of being wrong about us, its judgment on someone moral issues and firmly decides that that action is right or wrong. And then the last one is doubtful conscience. It gives rise to a positive judgment with a prudent fear or being wrong. Again, we have 5 different types of conscience. Okay. The first one is consequent conscience. The second one is right or true conscience. Then the third one is erroneous conscience. Then the fourth one is certain conscience. Then the last one is doubtful conscience. Now, it seems that you really understand the topic. So, let me ask you some questions. Is it okay with you? Okay, very good. My question is, what is conscience? Okay, what is conscience? Very good. When you say conscience, is our ability of faculty to choose and distinguish whether an action is right or wrong. Okay, very good. Then, what are the types of conscience? Okay, we have 5 different types of conscience. Very good. The first one is consequent. The second one is right or true. The third one is erroneous or false. Then the fourth is certain. Then the last one is doubtful. Okay, very good. It seems that you really understand the topic. So, let me ask you this final question. What have you learned today? Okay, you have learned about. Okay, very good. Learn about conscience and the different type of conscience. Again, what is conscience? Okay, very good. Conscience is our ability of faculty to choose and distinguish whether an action is right or wrong. And what are the different types of conscience? Okay, very good. So, the different types of conscience: consequent, right or true, erroneous or false, certain, doubtful. Okay, very good. For your evaluation, I want you to answer B on page 40 and answer this on your values book, because I will going to check this during our meeting. For your home delight, study your lesson because that ends of our discussion. Okay. Again, it's me, Teacher Darren, your teacher in Values 7. Thanks for listening. Goodbye. Keep safe.